Welcome to the IGSHPA Residential Installer Training Course, your pathway to becoming a certified ground source heat pump professional. In this comprehensive self-paced program, you'll master the essential skills for installing geothermal heat pump systems in residential applications. You'll learn to properly set and pipe indoor equipment, select and test antifreeze solutions, and commission complete systems to manufacturer specifications. You'll discover how to identify unit models and features, calculate flow rates and pressure requirements, and use specialized tools like refractometers and flush carts through 11 focused lessons. You'll gain knowledge for critical tasks, from purging air at 2 feet per second minimum velocity, to achieving the proper performance in domestic hot water systems, to completing pre-startup checklists that ensure warranty compliance. By course completion, you'll be able to install both packaged and split systems, troubleshoot open and closed loop applications, and perform the heat of extraction and rejection tests that verify proper system performance. Join the thousands of HVAC professionals who've advanced their careers through this certification since 1988.